Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share in facial hair removal remedy at home using egg. You can use this remedy every 2 weeks to get rid of unwanted facial hair from upper lip, chin, jawline, cheeks, forehead and side of your face. Regular use of this remedy will help you to get rid of facial hair permanently and also prevent blackheads and whiteheads to occur. This is one of the best home remedies to remove facial hair, as egg whites mildly exfoliate the surface of the skin to remove dead skin cells and facial hair. Cornstarch, on the other hand, heals and nourishes the skin. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of egg white with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mixture should be like this. Apply an even layer of the paste on your skin and wait for 30 to 45 minutes until it completely dry. Egg whites have proved effective in eliminating excessive or fine hair from the face. Egg whites can be used to remove unwanted facial hair as it is a chemical-free solution. It helps in removing facial hair and blackheads from your skin as well. The egg whites can also brighten the skin tone and give you a glowing face. This remedy is suitable for all skin types. After completely dry, remove this mask gently rubbing. After that, wash it off with normal water. Your skin will become super soft after using this egg mask. You can see facial hair was removed. If you use this mask, your facial hair growth will stop slowly. This is an amazing natural home remedy to get rid of unwanted facial hair, blackheads and whiteheads. Hope you will get something knowledge from this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.